Welcome back, everyone. So I'm just going to give you a quick walk around of the Grand Prix. I drove it yesterday for the first time in like 3 weeks since I put the coatings on there. And again, this has the P&S combination of Legend, 2 coats of Legend, and 1 layer of Sole on top of that. You can tell that here it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Silver just looks bright in the daylight here, and that's what I mean, that silver and whites need the right time of day and the right lighting to look glossy. And so I kind of just walk around here. You got the trees behind me, so I can only go so far back. You can actually see the black velvet translucent doesn't look too bad from this distance. It's when you get up close to it, it looks a little too plastic like. But you can see it's pretty glossy on the side. Again, I redid all the side glass with the new version of Flyby Forte. There's the roof. It's always got this funky spot here. I don't think it was prepped right at the body shop when I painted it years ago. Here's the back. Around this way here, as far back as I can. And you can actually see the gloss on the passenger side of the car. So it looks good. I mean, this coating combination actually does look pretty good. I still think the IGL Kenzo looked a little brighter and more reflective, but this actually looks really good as well. Just to give you guys an idea. Reflections there. I'll just kind of walk around here. So again, all the new center cap, new rotors and new calipers in the back. Now that they're bigger on the back. And then here's the front with the bigger rotor caliper setup in front and the new custom center cap. So overall the car looks good. Again, real bright, and in the right lighting this car looks real good. So I just want to give you an idea what it looks like with the P&S coatings on here. I will do a video of the first wash and give you the water behavior of the coatings here, and then this has the Adams original graphene ceramics. I'll show you the water behavior of that on the wheels, and then at least on this wheel, the driver's side will be the new advanced formula, and we'll see the water behavior of that. So again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.